Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You came back. In this week's video, what I have for you is yet again another ombre video, since I am the ombre queen. This week I use the SNS spray ombre, and it is interesting. So if that is something that you're into seeing, go ahead and stick around and let's get into it. Okay, so what I have here is I built up my apex and did, I don't know, 3 or 4 dips of, how do you say it? Do you say Bette or do you say Bette? I say Bette because I like Bette White better than Bette Midler personally, but this is from Revel. It's the closest like white I had, although this color has like a pink kind of to it. But yes, so I did some dips, and then I have these 2 colors of the Air Ombre from SNS. I have like it's like a purpley one. I set it in water, don't judge me. And then like this one's like a peachy pink one. And I'm just not feeling the purple one right now. So we're gonna go with peachy pink, even though it's gonna be so subtle. Like, I don't even know if you're gonna see, kind of subtle. So, but we're just gonna go for that. Yeah, so this is spray ombre. You like push it and it like sprays out. So you can ombre. How fun is that? So let's do this thing. So again, my Virgo and Gem that I've been loving so much, liquids. And I have a brush in case I need to like do some more Bette, whatever, toothpick, and my little nail brush. So let's go for this. I'm just gonna get right up to my cuticle and do like a good, sorry if you couldn't see me, do a good pass. I left it kind of super thin at my cuticle because, you know, gonna be spraying ombre on there. So oh man, I'm nervous. Okay, so we're just gonna try and keep it. Can you even see what I'm doing? Is it even coming out? So here's something I will say. It like sprays everywhere. Like everywhere. Can you see it? I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, okay. Next nail. It was like hard to choose colors online. I kind of wish I would have gone with different colors at this point, but this is what we got. So I'm like, is there even powder coming out? Can you guys even see? Like, I don't really feel like this is worth it at all. Like, I feel like you get like so much better of an ombre if you just tap than use this thing. Like, maybe I'll use the purple one when we get to like my ring finger so we can see a little bit better. It's like, I can see there's peach color in there, but it feels like there's just glitter that's coming out. Like, hopefully you guys can see on the video. the difference. We're just gonna stick with the peach, I think. And it sprays literally everywhere. Maybe if I was using more of a difference in color, you'd be able to like see more of a difference. And it's so awkward to try and hold it. I feel like you waste so much product. Like, look at all the glitter and like, I guess it looks really cute. It's super subtle, but I guess it does look cute. Maybe I should like, no, we're just gonna rock it. Maybe I'll use something softer. Like, I'm gonna do another pass, I think. Like, I guess it's my fault for not getting a darker color. Well, that seemed to come out a lot more that time. Give it a shake, maybe. That was me, Bailey. So it's showing up a little bit more. Maybe I'll give it a little tap of Bette. Oh, there it is. Just at the top, just to try and like, but like, what's the point of the spray if you then have to like tap, right? Like, don't you like hope to get the spray to like lessen the amount of steps that you have to do? It's like the most subtle baby boomer ever. Oh goodness, I'm like so disorganized. Okay. Oh, that was a big blob of base. Like, I also feel like you should be wearing like a mask or something, like not breathing that in, because it's just, it literally is flying everywhere. But although it's subtle, it's kind of cute. Let's do another tap of Bette and just at the tip. Just the tip, you guys. Like, you can see a difference, right? I suppose if you're like, you literally cannot get a tap ombre down, like at all, like you just can't figure it out, maybe this would be good for you. But I feel like a scrub ombre would probably be a better option. So I'm a Virgo, right? I like to have control. I feel like I really like a tap ombre the best. I don't even like a scrub ombre, honestly, that much. I don't think you have all that much control over the outcome. I think scrub ombres are really great for like baby boomers, something you're doing that's like super subtle, or if your colors are really close to each other or something like that, that's good for a scrub ombre, I guess. But I just prefer a tap. And this is weird. I'm really hoping y'all can see the difference here. Putting at the top. And I'm spraying it like right for my cuticle, and it's like going pretty far up my finger, so I mean, look how much is in my hand. It's so wasteful, so wasteful. Alright. Should I do a third pass? I don't want my nails to be too thick. Oh, and I think I'm getting all kinds of glitter in my base too. That makes me sad. I mean, it's not ugly. It's like super duper subtle. Yeah, I would say like a 3 out of 10 for me. I probably will not buy any more of these just for the simple fact that it's so wasteful. But yeah, I'm gonna get that clear coated and I will be back with a picture. So what did you guys think of that video? Did you like that video? What do you think of the spray ombre? That is like, okay, it is so subtle. It is so subtle, but I think it's grown on me. I was like 3 out of 10, don't recommend, but like, I think you should give it a try if you want to. I don't know. You can buy them on Amazon. They're like $23, and I think I got it for much cheaper than that just from SNS's website. There were a lot of color options. I was trying to go for like a baby boomer, but I think I should have chose a darker pink, but also I kind of like it. I kind of think it's cute. And in like the sun, like the glitter is kind of cute. I expected them to be flat when I ordered them, but they were like super glittery. So there's also that. So be careful of that if you're gonna order. I said 3 out of 10 in the video. I might be up to like, after I've sat with it for, I might be more like a 5 out of 10. Like if I'm gonna ombre, I feel like, especially if I'm gonna glitter ombre, obviously I'm just gonna tap ombre because glitters are pretty easy to ombre with. And if I'm gonna flat color ombre, I still think tapping, I even think that maybe scrubbing is easier than this spray stuff. But yeah, it was fun to try, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's another short little one, and I know some of you guys really like my short videos, some of you guys really like my long videos. And last week I did like an hour and 15-minute long video, so this week I figured I'd do a shorter video. So if you like this video, go ahead and give this video a like, and if you have something you'd like to see to me, go ahead and leave me a comment down below if you have a question or anything like that. I've got so many links down below to all of the things that I've used. I've got my Amazon shopping list down below, so if you, any of the things that you see that I get from Amazon that you would like to also have, I've got that link down below. I've got a link to my group down below. I've got a link to my Instagram down below. I've got all of the links for all of the things down below if you would like to see me in other places than just YouTube. Yeah, and if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and come and hang out with us every Friday, because I like it when you guys come and hang out with us every Friday, and I hope that you like it to come and hang out every Friday. That's all I got for you this week, you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye! Dawn's in the truck this time while I'm doing my intro, outro, and stuff, and that makes it weird because usually I'm alone. I'm not alone. Sunflower Manny, it's a sunflower Manny and a baby boomer. Boop, 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 boop. I feel like I'm in a movie. I'll never let go, Jack. I'll never let go. It's pretty embarrassing to record when you're like at a shipper and like there's people around and they're looking at you because they're all like men, like old men that haven't like showered in 5 days, and they're all staring at you like, who's this bitch with fucking eyelashes on trying to record a video like she's important or something. Feels really fucking awkward, but I love you guys, so I'm doing it anyways. I burnt myself, so that's gonna hurt when I like remove. Ow! So this is water that I put lemon juice and a Splenda packet into because, are you guys, okay, question. Do you guys, so I drink a lot of water, right? But I've found that if I drink a soda or even just like a bubbly or something, like I drink a bubbly water, all of a sudden I don't want water anymore. Like I've been, for like a month straight, I've been so good only drinking water. I've been drinking like 90 ounces of water a day, like trying to hit that 128 gallon of water, but that's a lot of fucking water. It's a lot of peeing is what it is. So, but anyways, I've been drinking a lot of water. I drink like one root beer, just one root beer, and I can't. So anyway, my dog thinks that if the truck stops for any reason at all, it's for her to go outside. Like we went from the yard in Santa Fe Springs to Vernon to get loaded in California. It's like 15 miles away. She's staring at me like you just, I saw you. You took like 4 shits and 3 pisses already this morning, so don't understand what you want from me. Oh my God, do not hit our truck. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I guess he's in a day cab, so he's got so much more control over.
Single axle day cab time.
Fuck, that shit's lucky, you lucky little bitch. If you don't get it on your first try, you suck. Ah! Nah, he had to pull back out and do it again. This guy's looking at me like I'm a fucking wackadoo.
Oh yeah.
Well, what he doesn't know is that I actually am a wackadoo, but not for talking to myself on the camera phone.